Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag PostgreSQL DB tutorial. In this video, we'll learn Advanced PostgreSQL Optimization on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. Here we'll go through the partitioning, BRIN and Materialized View. So we'll go through the step-by-step full process. So this is the complete Advanced PostgreSQL Optimization guide. There we'll go for the partition, BRIN Index, Materialized View, with the step-by-step process to installation and real example you can run on the Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS server. So my server is running with the VMware workstation. So this is the Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS server. Now I'm going for the advanced PostgreSQL optimization on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS, and what you will learn in this. So partitioning, BRIN Index, Materialized View and explain, analyze. So partitioning, huge table performance boost, BRIN Index best for the time series and big order tables, and Materialized View is the pre-computed result, super fast computing. And explain analysis measure the before and after. So in step 1, we'll install the PostgreSQL on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So let me install in my server. First, I will access my server, CMD. SSH TPT my user 192.168.136.128. This is my server running on VMware workstation. So logged in. Now I'm going to install, update the system packages, then install the Postgres and Postgres contribution library. Then we'll enable the Postgres and status. So after checking the status, we will log into the Postgres user and create the database. So let it complete. So this status is active and running. So active is. So now I'm going to log in PSQL. Then we are going to create a database. And connect with the database. Now I'm going to create a extension, that is the PG state statements. So then next we'll create the table. So we'll create the big table and for the simulating the real world data. So we'll create a sales table good for the partitioning and BRIN and reporting. So this is the table, sales table, and enter the 5 million rows. So insert the 5 million rows, heavy data. So it'll take a few minutes. So insert command. So here we are inserting the 5 million rows. So data will be somewhat heavy and it will take a few minutes. Okay, inserted. Now we'll analyze the table. Analyze cells. So analyze is done. Next, baseline performance test before the advanced optimization. So date range filter. Just select the output. So execution time is 397.99 millisecond. Now in query 2 monthly sales report, this is the aggregation. So I'm taking this part only. So there is a execution time is 1150.666 millisecond. Now in step 5 advanced optimization. So BRIN index. So massive win for the large order data. So what is the BRIN? So this is the block range index. So this is a very small index size and best for the large table when the column value naturally ordered like the dates, IDs and timestamp. So create the BRIN index is the cell data. So create an index on the cell date. Next, analyze the sales table. Then rerun the query. Same query we are going to rerun. So we got the some difference. Previously 397 approx 397, but now this is taking 324 millisecond. So BRIN works best when your data is inserted on the timely order and mostly order. So advanced optimization tools, so partitioning. So what is the partitioning? Partitioning split a Gantt table into the small tables partitioning. So faster reads, faster deletes on the all data and better long-term maintenance. So best example is the partitioning by year range partitioning. So create a partition table. So drop if any partitioning table exists. No. Now I'm going to create a partitions table. So create it. Now create year partitions. All the partitions. So we have done. We have created from the 1116 to 1117, then 1117 to 1118. So like that we have created. Next, copy data into partition table. So insert it. Now analyze the partition table and then retest the query partition viewing in action. So we are running the same query as we ran on the first time. So the date range. So this took only 61.256 seconds. So this is the huge difference we got. And this is the one of the biggest win for the time-based data. So add an index inside the partition table. So we are creating the index. Next, so you can do this for the all the partitions, but we are testing in the two only for the testing purpose. So I am doing for the 2020, 2024 and 2025 only. So advanced partitioning 3, materialized view, fast reporting. So what is the materialized view? So a materialized view is the store query result physically. So perfect for the dashboard and reporting, avoid the repeated heavy aggregation and refresh it on schedule. So create monthly sales summary materialized view. Now query the materialized view and the superfast. See, this took only 0.13 millisecond for the getting the data. Now add an index on the materialized view and more speed. So I have inserted one more Q for the exit, this create an index and refresh the materialized view. When you new data is added, you have to refresh the materialized view. And if you want to read the during the refresh, require the unique index. So create a unique index first. Refresh the without locking the reads. Move to the next step. Here will the best before and after performance examples. So before no brain and no partition, no materialized view. So there is a quarterly yearly data sequence across the full data is slow. So we got approx 397 millis point something millisecond, and after that this was somewhat fast. So after brain partition and materialized view queries the yearly range filter. So brain reduces the blocks scan partition puring the reads only one partition. Materialized view avoid the aggregation entirely. So in step 9, recommend the Postgres performance setting advanced. So edit settings. So we'll go the configuration file, exit, and with the roots, we'll open this. So example is tuning for the 8 GB of RAM. If my system have 8 GB, so as this is running, so we have a shared buffer to the 2 GB, control W, and you can search and you can change this to one to 2 GB. Effective cache. This one I am giving the 6 GB. Workman memory 64 MB. Maintenance work memory 512 MB. Random page cost 1.1. Effective IO concurrency I am giving 200 for the effective input output IO. Max parallel worker together there will be 4 max parallel worker 8, and max worker process is 8. So these are the changes I have done. Now, whenever your changes is done in the configuration file, you should restart. And step 10, maintenance best practices. So vacuum, clean up the dead and old rows, freeze the spaces and prevent table bloat. And analyze the update table statics so Postgres can choose faster query plans. So vacuum analyze cells partitions and optional heavy log table and vacuum full cells partition. Uh, Next is that bonus best use cases. So quick. Use BRIN when table is massive, millions plus rows, and column value follow the natural order, date, id and timestamp. You want to small index size, so use partitioning when data grow continuously, logs, this one cells, transactions. You query most by the date range, and you delete and archive the all data often. And use the materialized view when you run the heavy reporting query repeatedly. A dashboard needs fast result. You can refresh every few minutes and hour. Final workflow is the best real production setup. So partition table by the month and year, brain on the date, optional if the partition already good, B-tree index on the join and filter columns inside the partitions, and materialized view for the reporting, and PG statements enable, and schedule refresh and vacuum for the time. So in this video, we have learned how to do the advanced Postgres optimization. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for that. And disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107, Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow, like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.